we are back today. Another NAS buy. Pretty close to TP. I'm just targeting a internal 1 hour high, 4 hour high.
Order filled.
Go, alhamdulillah. We are done for the day. There was a lot of volume today, I'll be honest. Oh, lovely. There was a lot of volume today. There was a lot of volume today simply because we are a day before FOMC, but we did have decent low volume targets. See here, after the rise we had yesterday, just giving off bullish tendencies, and even after sweeping highs from those, like from here, we still were pushing high. We offered a 4 hour retrace here and a 1 hour retrace. I much prefer the 1 hour retrace because it was within an optimal entry. There we go. Well, it's close, but same thing on S&P. Within this range, we were working. Well, we were working within a discount. Shuffle over to the 15 minute. There was a beautiful open 15 minute gap. Same with S&P. We validated. Bro, why the fuck does it always do this shit? It pumps up here as soon as I jump off. Even then, bro, I'll be honest, the next targets were pretty like, probably got like what, an extra 5 points. Yeah, next targets are like all the way up here. I don't trust that personally, considering we have FOMC tomorrow. And I don't want to hold a trade for that long because I wasn't in a favorable position because it still can retest it. The 1 hour. The 1 hour candle, we have a huge wick, so it can still retest it and then move upwards. Just from what I've seen. But yeah, I did make a couple mistakes today. I will be honest. I should have waited for a better confirmation. What I had done was I'd seen it went into a 1 hour and it's reacted off of it. You don't trade just off of that. You use a higher time frames to confirm your low time frame entry. So we had inverted a 1 minute, couple of 1 minutes into 2 minute. I don't trade inversions. I don't know why the hell I tried doing that. I've seen this move plenty of times. It reacted for a higher time frame PD array. It move up, invert some gaps on the lower time frames, and can you see right here? Legit, just we use that and then move up. Like, bro, if I had done that, my stops would have been here, and I would have entered here. I could add a potential 100-point move, and it's my fault. I'll be honest, it was my fault. I should have waited. I gave in to FOMO. I should have done. This came from a place of like, I won't be able to trade tomorrow. So I'm still working on psych issues. I'm not profitable in the mind right now, but I am getting there, inshallah. But yeah, it's pretty. I trade very simply. I'll be honest. Legit, I just use sweeps, draw some liquidity as targets, gaps as targets, inverse fair value gaps, and SMTs as supporting confluences. I don't really use them as confirmations. I usually legit just use gaps, bro, just fair value gaps. Simple as it sounds, it works for me, and it seems to be working so far. And yeah, and we also had a sweep of London highs and London lows, but obviously I don't really trade like that. That's more like day trading stuff. Is I have a mix of swing and day trading, so I do use the higher time frames a lot more than typically what other people use as just a long-term bias. But yeah, man. Legit just reacted off of 1 hour PD arrays, 4 hour PD arrays. We had breaker structures. We had invest of gaps into another re-entry. Stops will be right there, and just target internal highs. Typically, for like a good entry like this, I would target other highs, but they're legit really far away. I don't really trust that to hold a trade this long, especially before FOMC, as I said before. But yeah, it was not a bad day. I won't be trading tomorrow because we do have FMC, and I've been wiped out a lot of times doing that shit. I've lost funded accounts, I've lost evos, I've lost potential payouts doing that. And yeah, I don't want to repeat the same mistakes. But yeah, it's a decent day. I was initially targeting a 15-minute, this one right here, but as you can see here, the candles were giving off a lot of volume. They were giving off not a lot of wick, but a lot of body pause. And yeah, it's pretty much it, man. Yeah, we legit. I think news just came out. It's orange folder. Yeah, orange folder news. But yeah, it wasn't too bad today. Yeah, it's pretty simple, man. Look, I'll go over it again if anyone wants to get a short version. A lot of bullish structure, even after sweeping prominent highs, we kept on giving off bullish structure, especially in the overnight sessions. And we retraced into a 4-hour, 1-hour, and a 15-minute gap. But inverse of 1 minute, 3-minute gaps and a 5-minute gap, as you can see right here. It was lagging a bit there, as you can see right here, but it just wanted to retrace. And yeah, this legit just went to the supply zone and started pushing. And yeah, the fair value gap's basically a supply zone, I'll be honest, because you legit got supplied with orders and it started going up. Same with demand zone. If it goes, bearish price action, it would start following down, obviously. But yeah, man, I don't want to make the video too long. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Not too bad today. Legit, markets were synchronized across S&P and the NAS. Yeah, a lot of bullish structure. I'll be honest, it was looking like a losing trader because I was like, if it's because it started giving off like strong candles like right here, so I was getting a bit shook. But I was like, I'll stick to what I know works. And yeah, man, it's pretty much it. 76 points on the day. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Love.